Hi, my name is Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. We're in Dracut, Massachusetts at RCC Classics, where we are redoing an epoxy floor for them. Urethane cement is a 3-component system, an A, a B, and a C. It is extremely moisture tolerant and self-leveling. We are using urethane cement on this floor at RCC Classics because the customer demands performance that is unparalleled. The urethane cement that we're using is a Crown Polymers Crown Crete 814. It is designed to go down from 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch thick. Right in front of me we have the part A and the part B, and off to the side is the part C in the brown bags. During the installation process, we're going to combine the A, the B, and the C. Go ahead and put it down on the floor, gauge rake it out, and it's going to self-level, giving us a perfect finish. Thank you for following along as we're doing this installation. Stay tuned for the next steps.